So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys the top 4 consumer protection laws that everybody must know in order to beat the credit bureaus and get negative accounts, collection accounts, charge-off, any negative account on your credit report completely off. All you got to do is understand the laws, and trust me, you will have success, because it doesn't matter if you're an average Joe like me, or if your grandma's just trying to fix her own credit, or if you're a top producing credit report company, you must know these laws. So number 1 is going to be the FCRA, which stands for the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which is the number 1, mainly that's the main law that any credit report company uses to their advantage to get negative accounts off anybody's credit report. Number 2 is going to be the FDCPA. This is a little bit more advanced. Again, you can use it in different tactics, and I don't want to go too much in depth because I don't want to overwhelm you, but you can use this as a very smart, strategic tactic to get negative accounts to soothe. Again, you know what? Let me just keep it short and simple. Number 3 is the FCBA, the Fair Credit Billing Act, and number 4 is going to be FACTA, which is the FACTA, Fair and Accurate Credit Transactions Act. Now, I know that might be overwhelming, and I know if you ever see those, you're gonna be like, oh my God, how am I gonna remember this? Well, I'm gonna teach you guys a quick little trick that I personally use, which has helped me decipher this and make me remember this easier and understand which law I can use for my clients, or for just for my educational knowledge. So, for example, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you need to understand that, like, all you gotta do is remove the last wording of the actual definition. So, for example, here on the my mouse died. For here on the Fair Credit Reporting Act, if you remove the fair and then the act, it's going to show you credit reporting. So what does that mean? Is that the FCRA, it is going to mainly, it's for the credit reporting agencies. Now, for the FDCPA, Fair Debt Collection Practice Act, if you just look at the middle wording, which is going to be the debt collections, that means for debt collectors. So this law is going to mainly be used for debt collectors. The FCBA, again, look at the middle wording, is going to mainly apply for credit billing. And for FACTA, it's going to be accurate credit transactions. So it just depends on how, making sure that, again, I don't know if you ever heard the word Metro 2 compliance, which don't worry, I'm going to be uploading very advanced tactics on my YouTube channel. So if you never heard that word, do not be overwhelmed. It's very easy, but it's basically a standard guidelines that the eOscar makes furnishers comply with if they want to report negative accounts on their credit report. And again, I don't know where you guys might be in your credit journey, but don't worry. I don't want you guys to feel overwhelmed or like, oh my God, you can't do this, and you'd rather pay somebody, because I promise you it's super, super, super easy. I just wanted to break these 4 laws down and a little bit of a trick on how I personally remember them. Again, look for the middle wording, and you're going to remember, okay, FCRA means for credit reporting. FDCPA, it means this law is mainly used for debt collectors. The FCBA is for credit billing act, so forth and so on. So if you guys have any questions, drop it down in the comments, or if there's any specific video that you want me to go a little bit in depth, or something, a tactic that you want me to talk about a little bit more in depth, let me know. I'll definitely make that video. If you are interested in learning how to fix your own credit for free, I'm not here to sell you anything. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.